What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we was finally leaving Arizona, man. We finally made it back home and all the above, man. But we kind of had a mishap in Arizona, man. I messed up my CVO, man. I broke my CVO, man. So with that being said, I wasn't able to get no races or nothing out there because right when I was on my way to race, the whole bike just shut down. And I'll let you guys see the whole ride from when I started until the moment it happened. So you guys stay tuned to see what actually happened to the bike. Meanwhile, man, if you guys are just now tuning in for the first time, man, make sure you like the video, comment where you from, and subscribe to the channel, man. I definitely appreciate that, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2020 Strawberry Lemon Drop Road Glide, man, with the whole 124 on there, man, it's almost that time, man. You guys know what time it is. I'm giving that thing away to one of you lucky supporters, man. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you anything on the website. That'll be your entry into the giveaway. We still got $25 off, so that means everything on the website is $50 per entry, man. You guys know what time it is. I definitely can't wait to see where this bike is going. Meanwhile, we already dropped our 2022 CVO off at the shop already, man. So my guy already checked it out, found out the issue. But before we get to the problem, I'm gonna let you guys see how we got there. In the meantime, before we go pick up the bike, because it's already ready and everything again, we're gonna switch the wheels on our 2021 Road Glide Special that we got here a while ago. Now, the parts have been in the paint shop for the longest, man. You guys know none of these guys are Antonio out here, so it's definitely taking longer than expected and longer than I'm comfortable with, to say the least. I know the next bike I get and I have to paint, I'm literally just gonna paint the whole thing just because it's gonna be quicker dealing with Antonio, shipping it back, and all the above, rather than letting it be out here and these guys can't even get the job done in a timely manner. But furthermore, man, definitely appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Let's get this show on the road. But before we do that, man, I want to clean out this garage because it does look a mess with dust and little bugs and stuff everywhere, man. So I'm about to blow it out, get it situated, and get these wheels on this bike so we can pretty much have this thing ready to go when the paint set and all that stuff comes back, man. Alrighty, so here we are, our 2021 Road Glide Special. Now our bags and stuff is still in the shop getting sprayed, along with our outer fairing, and we actually have to change this inner fairing. We have another one right there. I gotta clean that sucker up, so we're gonna clean that up. We gotta switch this out, of course, and then if you look, so the handlebars are straight, but the neck is bent a little bit, and you can tell because you're rubbing right here on the fairing. You shouldn't be rubbing right there. It should be able to do a full turn. So being that that neck piece needs to be changed out, which we have another one. So we're gonna change that out. We're gonna change out that inner fairing, get this front end back together. But before we do that, we're actually gonna change the wheels on this sucker because these wheels look totally ugly, man. So when we get them new wheels on here, it's just gonna look that much better and give us that much more motivation to get this thing done, man. So we'll see what this thing is looking like. Let's get the wheel situated. I don't know if I'm gonna start with the front or the back, but we're gonna get it together. And just like that, we got them wheels on there. These things make this bike look that much beefed up and that much better already. I ain't even gonna lie. Back wheel and all. Got this thing looking real good. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe if we look on this side, you can see it a little better. Yeah, you can see it a lot better over here. That thing look like a beast now, don't it? With that 21 on the front. Of course, like I said, matching back young. We're gonna be cleaning this bike up here momentarily, but we got the hardest part done. Now we just gotta take off this fairing, switch it out, but we gotta wash that thing up first. So we'll see what's up and see what time it is. See if we gotta go pick up our bike real quick. Just like that, we got the new neck support or fairing support bracket on there. This is the old one. As you guys can see, it is crooked. So that's gonna fix our problem up here. Now we can actually get our interference changed out. Now this should be pretty simple. The only thing I gotta do is wash this inner fairing, this other one up, get that gloss black coming back, and we can change that thing over, man. But I think it's almost about time to go pick up that CVO. Just like that, we got our wheels on, we got our inner fairing together. A few little scratches right there, actually. A few little scratches, man. I need a little discount. That thing's scratched up. But better than it was, that's for sure. But all in all, we just waiting on our little pieces up here and our outer fairing. And we should be good to go. Meanwhile, I'm about to load this trailer up and go pick up that CVO. And meanwhile, guys, since we just finished up the Road Glide, pretty much everything we can pretty much do to it until we get the paint set back. We are on our way to go pick up our CVO because, as you guys know, we took it to Arizona and we was riding that thing and it just didn't work out. So I'm gonna play the video here and you guys can see for yourself. I really wasn't doing much of nothing, but you know, sometimes these high horsepower bikes, you know, it'll be the littlest things that'll do some of the most unexpected damages, man. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna play the video for you guys and then we're gonna go pull up at my guy's shop. Then he'll tell us what happened to it and what's wrong with it and what we got to do to fix it. And hopefully it should be something not too crazy, man. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get this show on the road, man. All right, man. So we just pulled up. So this was the issue. For the people that don't know, what is these, man? Oh yeah, so if you guys never bust your bike down, man, these is what burnt clutches look like. So these is pretty bad.
Yeah, that's good. They gone.
It's a wrap. So that's why our bike couldn't move, but we got a good understanding now, and we believe we fixed the job. So we're gonna see how this thing rides and shines pretty soon. It's pouring down rain and stuff right now, man. So as much as I wanted to take it on a quick little pass, I don't think I am, just because I don't want to get that wet, man. But here we are, it's back in effect. We're gonna get this show on the road. Y'all know what time it is, Mr. CVO. And just like that, we got this thing back loaded up. I didn't push it up there, I wrote it up there, so we know it's working now, man. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna take it out tomorrow and get some passes. Hopefully it's dry enough to see if this thing really working again, because I haven't really got no passes on it at all, man. So we're gonna hope for the best, man. Let's get back to the shop, offload this thing, and get it settled in finally. And just like that, we got this thing offloaded in the garage, finally working and everything. So tomorrow, try to get some test passes in. Hopefully it's not raining. Meanwhile, we're going live with our 2020 strawberry lemon drop Road Glide soon. And then now we can actually start working on delivering our 2023 CVO, man. So I can't wait for that. Meanwhile, got the Road Glides in here, man. Got all different type of flavors and styles. We got the Road Glide Special, the Road Glide with the oohs and ahs, the CVO, another CVO ski. But these new wheels on this bike looks really, really good. Make this bike pop that much more. I can't wait to wash this thing up and get it ultra clean so it can be looking a whole lot different than what we've been seeing it as, man. So y'all stay tuned. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Meanwhile, our clutches was whooped on our bike, but now we are good to go, and we got some clutch action, man. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all know what time it is. So alrighty, guys, gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2020 Strawberry Lemon Drop Road Glide, the one with the oohs and ahs, the 124 on that thing, man, now is your time. $50 only. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Anything you purchase on the site will gain you an entry into the giveaway. You can buy 1 entry, you can buy 2 entries, you can buy as many as you want while the giveaway is still live, man. You guys only got a little bit more time. Meanwhile, if it's your first time to the channel, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know where you're tuning in from in the comments below. I definitely appreciate y'all. We got the Road Glide Special pretty much ready to go. We just waiting on painted pieces for that. We got our CVO back in the mix. We got our Strawberry Lemon Drop Road Glide ready to be given away. And then we got our 2023 CVO that we got to work on delivering, man. So I can't wait. We got a good week coming up, man. So y'all stay tuned. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.